Hi, I'm Robin.
He's an electronics engineer turned woodworker, IT support, and official delivery guy. And I'm Rose.
And she's a Bicolana. Entrepreneurship graduate. She's our post pusher and social media manager. We love working on projects.
We love creating crafts. And we love create. And we love capturing memories.
One, two, three. All the while running a custom online gift shop.
And this is our channel where we
Cut!
toe beans. Anong ginagawa ko sa toe beans? Grind.
Drill!
Fiddle around.
Laugh!
May ba? Argue! Hindi ko alam.
Magpapatulong ako sa iyo yung specific person ng box kasi wala yan.
Wala na yun ba?
Hey, we're supposed to promote this! And stick together both literally and figuratively.
As we work together in building a better home. Come join us in our journey.
Through our marriage, projects, and life. We'd love it if you would be part of our growing community by liking and subscribing to our channel.
So we'll see you on the next episode.